Do you know you can make from $700 to $2,000 with Google? In this video, we are going to show you step by step how to make that happen. You can do this right from the comfort of your home. Google is one of the biggest search engines on the internet, and we are going to be showing you how you can use it to make a lot of money while searching the internet. Anybody with a laptop or phone can do this. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, go to your Google search bar and type in Google News. Once you are done, hit enter. You will land on this page right here. Click on the first link. Once you do that, you will land on this page. If you must make money with Google using this platform, pay very close attention on the news categories on the left. As you can see, we have the business category, we have the technology category, we have the entertainment category, we have the sport category, the science category, and finally, we have the health category. If we click on any one of this category links, we are going to be redirected and shown topics related to that particular category. In this video, let us choose science for example. So, we are going to click on science. Now right here, we have a heading which includes the latest, we have environment, we have outer space, we have physics, we have genetics, and finally we have wildlife. It is very important that you concentrate on the latest news, because these are the articles that are trending at the moment. So, we are going to scroll through the latest news feed, and as you can see, there are a lot of new trending content on this feed. We are going to choose one of the articles on the news feed and open it. Let us choose this one for example. Click and let it load. Now, the article is open. You can now scroll through the article and check it out for yourself. As you can see, this is a full article. What you are going to do next is either copy the whole article or just some part of it. For this particular video, we are going to just copy part of the article for example. So, we are going to highlight, right-click, and copy part of it. Once you are done, go to this website right here, spinbot.com. This is actually an online rewriting tool that will help you rewrite the article we just copied. In general, this website right here will rewrite any article you want to recreate or transform and make it yours all for free. All you need to do is click right here, where it says, paste text, and automatically, the text you copied will be pasted right here. Next, click on this arrow right here, which says spin it. Once you do that, you will have to solve this simple puzzle right here. Just click on this arrow and drag it to the right to solve the puzzle. Once you are done, the article will automatically rewrite itself. Actually, this is an AI technology that can rewrite articles on its own. Now, you have to make sure the article you translated is beyond comparison and has no similarity to the one you have actually copied from. So, we are going to be showing you how you can be able to make money with the article you have just translated. I will be showing you 2 websites that will pay you real money for just submitting the article we just translated. If you really want to make money, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, and don't forget the more websites you visit the more money you are going to be making. The first website on our list is called textbroker.com. On this page right here, you will see that TextBroker is the proven content writing service provider to outsource your written content quickly and easily. Always get the exact content you need. And as you can see, you can sign up totally for free. To get the information on how much you will be paid, just click right up here, I write content. Then click on payment. You will land on this page, as you can see, with TextBroker, write and earn money online. Good work pays off. The better you write, the more you can earn. If we scroll down, right here, what does TextBroker pay? To their freelance authors? TextBroker offers authors several options to earn money online. Based on your content quality, our editors rate your articles between 3 and 5 stars. Since TextBroker regularly reviews and rates your articles, it is possible to continuously increase your rating and earn more for each word you write. You are your own boss. If we scroll down, right here, you are going to be given star ratings. And different star ratings are going to correspond to different amounts of money you will be earning from this platform. You can request a payout at any time during the week, as long as your text broker balance is $10 or more. If we scroll all the way down here, calculate your open order earnings. Right here, you can calculate how much you can be able to earn with your content in the open order category. Don't forget your content has to be of very good quality to earn more money. If you click on the dot right here, and move it around, you are going to be able to calculate how much money you will be making per word count. As you can see, you will be making a good amount of money. And remember, you are getting the articles totally for free from Google News, and rewriting it with Spinbot all for free. Anybody can do this. Let's scroll down again, and right here, you can get all the information you need right here. All you need to do is take your time and submit as many articles as possible. Remember, the more articles you submit, the more money you will be making. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. The next website is called iWriter.com. Once you are on this website, scroll down. How does iWriter work? iWriter works in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Register for a free account. Step 2. Request the type of content you would like written. Step 3. Receive your content from a writer. Step 4. Review your content and approve or reject it. Step 5. Download your content and rinse and repeat. So, actually, you are going to be the one submitting the content for customers on this website. If we scroll down, right over here, we have over 6,190 jobs posted just in the last 30 days. And right here, we have just 1,180 writers. That means you can sign up on this website and start making money right away as a writer. And right here, we have 8,292,510 articles written to date. Now, if you want to become a writer on this platform, just scroll all the way down. And right here, are you a writer that wants to earn money writing for iWriter? Here are the steps on how it works. Build your own client base. Earn up to $80 per 500 words once promoted up the ranks. Write as much or as little as you want each day. Choose the topics that best match your background. To sign up and begin, just click right here, where it says, Become an iWriter today. Once you do that, you will be able to sign up and start making money right away. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.